first thing you need to do, log into your high level, go into your sub account here on the top left, click on agents, and then start with this knowledge base. This knowledge base is the brain that you're going to build with all of the knowledge inside. Later, you're going to create an AI agent that can leverage this knowledge that you just gave it. So click on knowledge base and then say create new knowledge base. Give it a descriptive name like test sonic combinator and then whatever your description is, and then hit create. Now we're inside our knowledge base. We have to give it the source of data to go pull by itself. The first source is going to be a web crawler. Click on that and then hit add source. Click on web crawler. And this is a URL, a uniform resource locator of a website that you might already have, or the knowledge that's online somewhere that you want to import. So you would put your business URL over here or the business that you're supporting. In my case, it's Sonic Combinator, so I'm going to put that one here and then say extract data. It's going to fetch all of the pages and then understand your website in and out, and it'll build that into its knowledge base. The other thing you can do to add to that knowledge base is to learn about that industry itself. What do I mean? So let's say you're at a med spa and you're selling medical treatment. And so somebody lands on the website, they're going to have questions about Botox or fillers or whatever else you sell. So you can come into an LLM, for example, or Gemini or Grok or any one of these and say, I'm building a knowledge base for my AI agent. Give me several facts and highlights about medical spa treatments and how their benefits, how they benefit people. We are trying to convince people that medical spa treatments are helpful. Give it some context and then let it pull data for you across the internet, and then it pulls some data. Key facts about medical spa treatments, the benefits for skin and appearance, wellness, mental health, personalized, long-lasting care, and on and on. And you can build on top of this, say, give me more, and then give me more. Or if you have a reputable website already out there, let's say somebody's done some research or it's on a university white page, you can point to that website as well and add data to your knowledge base. So now your AI agent is just getting smarter and smarter. And so how do you get this data over to your AI agent? Well, you just copy it like this, Control C for copy, and now you need some kind of an online URL. An easy trick is to go into your Google Drive, create a document, and then point that document to the AI agent. Let me show you how. So this is Google Drive. Just go to drive.google.com, create new, and a Word document, and then paste your data inside there. Okay, give it a nice descriptive name. And then you're going to come up here and say share. Hit this drop down, click on share, and then you see how it's restricted right now? That means only I, as authenticated to this drive, have access to this document. But you can essentially give anybody on the internet access to this. Hit the drop down and say anyone with the link. Now, anybody with this link up here, you can't see it, can access this document. So I'm going to say copy link, and I'm going to give it to the AI agent. So come back to your knowledge base in high level, click on add source, another web crawler, and then now give it the Google Drive link. So it has the whole thing from Google Drive, it's sharing, and then extract data. And now just like another website, your knowledge base is going to pull that data from the Google Docs that you just created. And then you have other sources of information. Frequently asked questions. Click add source, FAQ. So for example, you might have a question, how long have you been in business? Maybe you get that question all the time and you say 20 years or whatever the case is. Hit save, and now that's one of the questions your AI can answer. And then you have tables. So for example, if you were a shipping company and you needed to figure out the measurement of a box plus the distance and how much is that going to cost, and sort of a table that you would look up typically, well, now you give that table to AI and then it can just answer those questions for the user. Rich text is another clever way, exactly what we did with Google Docs. I would basically paste the data in here and then hit save, and now it can reference the rich text. And then file upload, you guessed it, maybe you have a ton of PDF documents or Word documents, you can go ahead and upload them, and now it's that much smarter. Where it would be really helpful if a company used this for their own training material, let's say there's computer-based training or some standard operating procedures, upload them here, and then now your AI agent can be the designated trainer for your entire company. And unfortunately, folks on the lower tier of that totem pole are probably going to find a different job. The managers and the leaders of that company are just going to become that much more efficient. So you want to get ahead of the curve and make yourself stand out at your own company. Leverage this and then take it to your boss's boss and tell them that you're building this and you can find efficiencies within the business, and maybe they designate you as the AI person who's going to lead that charge. If you want to try your hand at doing this yourself instead of just watching, you can use my high-level affiliate link in the description below. If you use that, you get an extended 30-day high-level trial, hundreds of pre-built AI agents, access to my school community, 40+ business and marketing courses that I've built. You'll have all of my website template that you've seen me create. I'll even hop on a live Zoom call with you twice a week to help guide you and build your business with you. You'll have a direct line to me and also a chance to join my agency and run some of these businesses that I have, as well as take on my client. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.